Hello everyone, this is Imran here, and today I'm going to explain what is Kajabi and what Kajabi offers to you, and for a beginner purpose what can you do and what things you should do first. So first of all, what is Kajabi and what can do this for you for your online business? And I think that's pretty great, by the way. So now Kajabi is an all-in-one business platform for entrepreneurs who can sell digital products. Kajabi users are selling their knowledge packaged up in digital products like online courses, membership sites, coaching services, and more. Kajabi makes it easy to turn your knowledge into digital products to sell it, and it also offers everything you need to run a business, including a website maker, a landing page builder, email marketing software, sales funnel software, and the ability to accept payment, etc. So without wasting any more of time, I'm gonna sign in and I'm gonna meet you at dashboard.
So once you signed in, you will end up or land on this page. Like this is the interface of Kajabi. And the first thing I want you guys to do is to go at settings and do major things which you should do at first. Like the first thing is do payment integration. Like here, as you can see, click on it and you will end up over here. Like connect your PayPal or Stripe account with your Kajabi account. Secondly, go back and set your domain because domain is important. And if you don't have any domain for yourself, what you can do, like as you can see over here, Kajabi will create a custom domain for you automatically. As you can see, they have created for me. And obviously, the marketing things control the address, branding, and email settings for your site. You can do everything over here. Like you can set the name, you can set the address, and everything else. And after that, site details. So if you scroll down, you will find that you can add your company logo, email settings, and everything like from the domain, email sequence default, like everything is here. Just set it up. These are the settings which you should do at first when you have arrived at Kajabi. After that, you have to go at products and you will find multiple products over here. You can create your products, like just click on get started and you will find multiple things over here. Start from scratch. So if you want to go with the online course, you can go with that. Just click on it and you can see over here, this is the template they are showing, and just click on submit and it will end up over here. And what you need to do, like welcome to the course. Obviously you can create your whole course and you can see that expand all if you want. These are modules. Just click on one and you can edit a specific module, and under that specific module you can choose different headings, and we end up on the first title, which is welcome to the course. And you can set this media with the text, or you can create a video and upload it. You can add audio and assessments. You can add lesson thumbnails over here. You can hide it, you can lock it, you can download it. And the good thing is about Kajabi lets you do this, that Kajabi lets you sell downloadable ebooks, memberships, sites, community offers, and so much more again. So you bring that great knowledge and content, and Kajabi will make it breeze to turn that into a digital product that you can share with the world. That's the whole thing is going on here right now. So after that, you need to go at website. Why website? Because obviously you have created your product, your online course. You need a website where you can digitally sell that. So if you don't have any website and you don't know codes, you don't need to worry with Kajabi. You just need to click on websites and it will take us over here. You can pick template right away, and you can see there are different templates over here. And what else you can do, like it has a different Kajabi website available where you can start from the scratch, or otherwise just take a sample from here like this one. And what you can do, like you can change everything in this. Obviously I'm not going to go in this like in detail, but all I can say that it is enough for you if you don't know how to create, how to do codings for your website, and if you don't even know how to create website. So just click on it and go in and edit it as accordingly you want and your business want. So that's it. Moving on. So after creating website, you might need a landing page too, because there are some campaigns which you need only a single page, and where you can just give your customers and your clients free will to uh, submit their uh, website or email address so they can subscribe to you. So how you can do that, just click on new landing page and you will find multiple templates out there also, and you can also start from the scratch over here. So this is how you are going to create your landing page. Obviously I'm not going to go in like obviously otherwise I should have gone to website 1 2. So it's a fairly easy process. If you click on it, you will find everything easy. Just click on the heading, edit that. Just click on the background, edit that. So this is very easy. There's no headache about it. After that we need to come over at marketing, and you can see that the first option is email marketing campaigns. You can start your first email campaign, and you can either go with email broadcast or email sequence. If we go with the email broadcast, you will see that there are multiple templates of it also. And what are email campaigns actually? If you have like you want to do marketing through email, you can do that. And there are a lot of blog post title and share knowledge. You can share newsletter title, like you can do multiple things over here. Like you can create over here like uh, after 5th July you will get 20% off, and you can just like email them. So these are the email marketing campaigns out there for Kajabi. I guess you have learned about the Kajabi, like what is the purpose of Kajabi is doing for you. These are the things that Kajabi providing to you. Like as you can see over here, you need to add your products. These are the sales which you will do, and these are the website, marketing, contacts, analytics. Obviously, these are the reports. So it's a fairly easy to understand what is going on over here. I would like you to just go ahead and explore it to yourself. You will understand each and every single thing. I hope you understand what I've tried to say. Thank you for watching this video.